Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. We are super excited to share with you a step-by-step tutorial for our Rossi Glam Powder Trial Kit. This kit is a perfect opportunity to create a flawless manicure at home, and you never have to go back to the nail salon again. This kit comes to you in this super cute pink box and has everything you need to start your dipping journey. You can customize your own trial kit by picking one of the 4 colors or build your own kit with hundreds of colors available on rossinails.com. In the kit, you'll find 3 bottles: base, activator, and top coat. Our small tip: it's easier to take out the liquid essentials by opening the box from the bottom. On the sides of the packaging, you'll find handy written instructions that will guide you through the application process. The color we're going to use here is Pink Mood, which is a beautiful mauve pink shade with a delicate shimmer. Remember that the color will look different in the jar and after activating. Start your manicure by prepping the nails. You'll need to gently push back the cuticles. Make sure there is no dead tissue left on your nails. Next, lightly buff your nails along the sides and tops to give them a matte look. This will make the manicure stick to your nails much better. Use some alcohol on a lint-free wipe and rub down your nails. This is to ensure your nails are totally clean and oil-free. Grab your number 2 base coat bottle and apply it to the 3/4 of the nail and immediately dip it into Glam powder. Remember to dip the nail into the powder at a 45-degree angle to ensure a smooth powder surface. Tap the finger to remove the excess powder. Follow the same application technique for all of the other fingers. Use thin layers and dip the nail immediately after applying the base coat layer. One of the main differences between gel and Glam powder is that Glam powder requires no curing under an LED or UV lamp, which speeds up the process of your manicure. Brush off excess powder with a clean, fluffy brush after finishing one hand. Don't brush off straight away. It's better to let the base absorb the powder. Apply another layer of Rossi base coat, this time a hairline away from the cuticle, and dip it into the powder one nail at a time. To ensure even application, hold the brush parallel to the nail, moving it from the cuticle to the free edge in long strokes. Dip at a 45-degree angle. Use an orange wood stick to run around the cuticle line. This will clean up any excess dip that might have gotten stuck there and give your nails a nice, neat line. You can do this trick immediately after dipping when the base is still wet. Brush off the excess powder. Dip powder air dries and hardens to an acrylic-like feel after application of the Rossi Activator liquid. Liberally apply Rossi Activator and wait 2 minutes for the nail to harden. Buff the nails to achieve the preferred thickness and shape. Go over the entire surface to even out any imperfections. After buffing, remove the filing dust using a lint-free pad soaked in alcohol. 2 coats of top coat are needed for the nails to be shiny. The first coat seals and protects. The second coat gives the shine. Please make sure that when you are applying the first coat of Rossi top coat that you use thin, quick strokes from the cuticle end of the nail to the tip of the nail. Wipe brush onto a wipe before putting it back into the bottle. Wait 2 minutes for the first coat to dry. Then apply the second coat of top coat more precisely. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for the nails to fully dry without touching or smudging. Apply Rossi Nourish cuticle oil. Apply cuticle oil regularly to keep your nails and cuticles healthy. Dip manicure will last anywhere from 3 to 4 weeks, which is pretty amazing. With a little practice, you can completely skip the salon visits and save tons of money and have nice nails all the time. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe.